All right, let's go into InShot. I already have a downloaded video from TikTok or from my camera roll, and it has a track on there. So I'm going to take the track off so I can show you how to use it. So I took it off, and I'm going to the purple button that says tracks, add with the plus sign. I'm going to take extract audio video from a TikTok video I already have with audio on it. It's extracting the audio from it, and that's the audio that I have now. It's added to the video that I have. And now the minus sign just makes sure you can open it up and drag it to make sure that it covers the entire video or however much you want it to cover the video for. Once you're done, you can press the check button. After you have that done, then I just want to make sure the sticker is correct. You see how you can move it around there in video. So after you press check, go to sticker. And then you can make sure that that sticker is over the entire video or for however long you want it to. Go to keyframe to change the transparency of the video. I want it to be about right there. I press the check button. And now if there's an X, just go ahead where it says InShot X. Click on the X and then it would make it free for this one time, and then go ahead and save. It's going to download. Save at the right top of the screen and then green check.